Hello guys, welcome to Data Speak, listening to your data. So our topic today is applying basic conditional formatting in pivot table. Applying basic conditional formatting in pivot table. So without wasting much of our time, let's get busy. So this was our previous pivot table we created. So let's see how we can apply conditional formatting in our sales, total sales, or total sales. Let me call it total sales. In our total sales column. So the first thing you need to do, first of all, you just need to highlight all of them. Under the home, on the home tab, you see the condition formatting. So under the condition formatting, we have like 5 categories of types of condition formatting you can do. We have the highlights, sales rules. We have to do with greater, less than, between, equal to. We have the top, bottom rules, which comprises of top 10%, or down to below average. We have the data bar, so which you can represent your column with the bar chart. We have the color scale, which you can choose which of the color scale. Then we also have the icon. So let's start with the highlighting of the cell. So I'll, for example, now let's say, for example, greater than. I want to see total sales that is greater than, let me see, the 11 million. 11 million. So I want to see sales greater than 11 million. So let me just give it a green. You see right here now our text, the month of October, November, December has been highlighted with a green. So we can also do more about, you just need to highlight it, go back. We can also check, okay, I want to see cells in between. So when I click on in between, so it's going to give me 2 options. It's going to give me the minimum and the maximum. What do I want to see in between? For example, I want to see cells in between 10 million to 12 million. In between 10 million to 12 million. In between 10 million to 12 million. Okay, let me give it red. You find that the month of September has been highlighted. So you can also apply the same thing goes to the other conditional formatting in terms of highlighting cells. You can do for equal to and less than. So let's go for the top and bottom rules. So for example, now I want to see the top 10. So once I hit on the top 10, it finds that it highlights. Like, let me just give it a green. Well, look, it highlights all apart from March and August. So the good thing is that I can check, okay, I'm not interested about top 10, I want to see top 9. You see, once I change the number, you see the highlights on our total sales also change. I need top 7, top 6, top 5, top 3, top 2. Okay, I'm interested in what to see the top 2 or top 3. I'm interested, okay, let me say I want to see top 5 or top 4. So once I click on that, so I can able to, I have the opportunity to change whatever top I want to see. So as okay now, top 4, I just click on okay. You see, it has highlighted September, October, November, December, as well as a top 4 sales. So you can also do for in terms of below average. So once I click on it, you find that those below the average are being highlighted with red color. So how do we know the average of this of these total sales? Now I'm just going to highlight it below my screen. You'll find that you see the average, you see count, you see sum. So the average is 9,893,862 50 cents. So which is the average. So that's why if you see the one highlighted with red, they are below the average. So that's another conditional formatting we can do. Then let's go to the other one by bar. So you can decide to include bar in your column. So let me go with this. So now not only that we have our number, we also have our bar. We also have our bar in it. So that's another thing we can achieve as well. So I'll just add another column just to make, let me just ask cost of goods sold. Okay, the name really exists, so let me just give it total. Total cost of goods sold. So to format it as also, just need to right click. No, because since I've applied conditional formatting, it's going to give me the same thing. So let me just do right click on it, number formatting, currency. Okay. Now let's move to the other type of conditional formatting we can do in pivot table. Let's go to a conditional. So we've done the bar. So let's for the color scheme. Now you see this is a pre-built color scheme given to us, but we can change the rule. We can change the rule. So here, when I click more rule, I'll click on more rule. Now under the more rule, so you see lowest value. If you see the lowest value, it gave it yellow and rest, and the highest value, it give it light. So let me change it. I want to use 2 color format. You can use 3 color format. You can use data bar. You can use icon set. So I want to use 2 color format. I want to give it, if it is the lowest value, I'll give it red. I'll give it red. If it is the highest value, I'm going to give it green. Then I'm going to hit OK. You see, now this is now working based on my own formatting, based on my own rule. So it depends if you want to go with the rules that comes, the default rules. It's up to you. But the essence when we apply conditional formatting is that we want to exert our own decision on the data. We want to format it on the way we like. So that's how you can apply conditional formatting based on color scale. So the last but not the least, the icon. So let me add another column, for example, profit. I'll just format it. Currency. I don't need any to do places. So just go, let's do the last one, which is the icon. So here we have many icons you can choose. Do you want to go for 3 or 4 icons? We have 3, we have 4 icons. You can choose whatever you want to use to represent. You want to use star. So let me go with this, with the shape. Now still under the shape, there are rules, many rules you can define. Now under the shape, by default, Excel is giving me a rule, which I don't know what the rule is all about here, but I can go on and tweak it to suit my own rule. Like for example, for numbers greater than and profit greater than let me say 800,000, I'm going to give them a green. So let me go down to the more rules. I'll click on more rules. Now icon selected. So here you can select whatever icon you want to select. So I will go with this one. Now it said the green when the value is greater than, when the value is greater than 67 or equals to 67. So I want to make this when it's greater than 800,000. It is greater than 800,000. Give it green. Then the type, I need to change the type because here we have what type? We have number, we have percent, we have formula. So what I'm dealing with number, I'm not dealing with percentage. So that means I'm going to change, I'm going to rewrite my 800,000. Here also I'm going to change it to number. Then when it's greater, when it's less than, let me say, when it's, okay, let's give yellow. When it is, here we have two options, greater than, equal to, or greater. So let's say when it's greater than 500,000, 500,000. Greater than 500,000. Then automatically the last one would give us when it's less than or equal to this. So when I hit OK, let's see what will happen. So automatically we have our formatting. So these are the various conditional formatting we can do. So we're able to do in terms of highlight, use the top and bottom rules, the data bar, the color scale, and the icon set. So if you should ask me, is conditional formatting possible in pivot table? Yes, it's possible. So this is an example of it, what we have done. So if today happens to be your first time in this channel, please, I would like you to click and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.